What's up everybody, Rebecca-Louise, and welcome to your fat burning kickboxing workout. This is taken from my book, It Takes Grit. If you have not already got a copy, you've got to get it. It's gonna change your life. And if you're ready to start working out, I'm ready, let's get going. And let's get going. Okay, so we've got the timer on the clock. The first exercise we're gonna do is just gonna take it into some front punches. So you're gonna bring your arm straight out in front and we're just gonna punch forward. Now the first time we do this, we're just gonna take it nice and gentle. I want you to have your feet a little bit wider than hip width distance apart, as if you were gonna do a squat. Bend those knees, tuck those hips underneath, and let's just work in getting that body going. That's it. So front punches, keeping those fists up by the face. Woo, we're gonna breathe in and we're gonna breathe out. And every single time that you do breathe out, you're gonna give me a nice little smile. Let's keep it going. That's it, just this pace. Breathe and punch forward. That's it, nice little bend in those knees. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, shake it out. Every single exercise we're gonna do 2 times, right? So 30 seconds each, 15-second rest, we're gonna repeat it. The second time we do the exercise, we're gonna do it with a little bit more intensity, okay? So let's get those knees nice and wide. We're gonna bring those fists up, and this time, let's add in a little bit of a pivot. That's it, okay. So just think, you can either say, I'm gonna punch this aggression out today, I've had a bad day, or you can be like, hey, I'm gonna own this workout. So let's get in that frame of mind. And what is our quote for today? You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction. So if you're giving me half-ass things right here, I want you to pump it up a little bit and really go for it. Give me one more either side and release down. Okay, we're gonna take it into a side shuffle across the mat. So come to one end of your mat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it into a little side shuffle, little step, and then take it all the way back. Slight bend in the nose knees. Remember, we're taking it into a shuffle this time. We did those walking squats yesterday, so now we're just adding on a little bit of extra cardio, and we have got the basis from yesterday because we were pushing our knees out to the side. So let's take it all the way across. That's it. And little step all the way, quick feet. Now, you can even step out to the side like this, but try and keep up onto those toes so we can start to add in a little bit of that extra movement. You've got this. So decide you're gonna get all the way through this workout today, no matter what. Take it out to the edge and release. Okay, come back to the center of your mat. We're gonna do that one more time. We're gonna speed it up. So inhale through your nose. Exhale out. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's speed it up. So a little bit quicker all the way across. And here we go. Yes, let's increase the intensity. So first time, you're just testing how far you can go. You're giving it your best. The next time that you do it, you're doing it with a little bit more, with about 50% more, because we sometimes feel like we're doing our best, and actually we're only doing 40% of what we're capable of. So that first time, it's a test to see what your best is, and the second one, boom, you're gonna be doing it even more. That's it, adding in that 40%, adding in that 100%. Take it across and release. Okay, can you see? Feel the difference. You thought that you were doing your best the first time, and then I told you, hey, do a little bit more. It's like if I said to you right now, put your hands up to the sky, and you were like, yes, this is as high as I can go, I bet you could reach a little bit further. Next exercise, we're gonna take a side kick out to the right. So bend both knees, keep nice and low in that supporting leg, and kick out to the side. This is gonna work your core. This is gonna work those inner thighs, and that leg that you're standing on, working the calf muscle and that quad. The more you bend that knee, the more that you're gonna feel it in that supporting leg. So try and go a little bit lower for me. Breathe in and out. Kick it out to the side. You've got this, nice and controlled. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, release down. We're gonna take it over to the other side. So bend nice and low. We're gonna put all of that weight onto that right leg, grab those hands together, and we're just gonna kick out to the side. So you can have your hands together, you could have them a fist in front of your face. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So that's it, so just a little side kick out to the side. Take a little look too. Now hold that core in nice and tight. You can decide today that you can change your direction. You may not be able to change the destination overnight, but the direction you can. So right now, if you were gonna go out, you're gonna go out drinking, maybe you're gonna go and eat some unhealthy food, you're gonna go and hang out with negative people, today is the day that you can change that direction. So what are you gonna do afterwards that will actually ultimately change that destination? And release down. Okay, that was the first round. So now we're gonna increase it. We're gonna see what you can really do, what you're really made of. So over to the other side, all of that weight in that left leg, tuck those hips underneath, Hands, let's get those fists in front of the face. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So kick out to the side. Yes. Now, can you get a little bit lower in that kick? Higher in the kick and lower in that bend. So maybe you bend down and straighten. So you get a little bit more movement in your body. The more movement you have, boom, the more calories that you're gonna burn. So let's push down, and here we go. Push down into that heel. Breathe through it. Come on, get that leg a little bit higher. Can you bend? And 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Okay, shake it out. Release those shoulders away from those ears. Stand up nice and tall. Breathe in. Breathe out. And let's take it over to the other side. Remember, we're doing it more than we did the time before. So your best times 2, times 100. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Kick out to the side. Yes. Now try and bend and straighten. Add in a little bit more of an element. So every single time that we're doing these workouts, we're just adding in something extra. We're adding in, an extra pulse, an extra move, or maybe we're taking out a hand or a foot to make it more challenging. So this is what we want to do over these 30 days. I'm going to keep increasing the workouts little bit by little bit so that you can do what you really want to do. Okay, release down. We are going to do undercuts. So you're going to have your legs nice and wide. All we're going to do is undercut here. That's it. Just take it underneath and pull it down. Shake out those arms, shake out those legs, and let's go. So you still want to keep your arm, your fist right in front of your face. Remember, we're just doing this slowly to begin with. That second round, boom, it's going to be even harder. So here we're going to do overs, and then we're going to take it into those undercuts. Let's go. Breathe and pull down nice and tight. Yes. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. Now this is our yes move, remember? So anytime that you're feeling like you don't want to do anything, you're going to add this move in. Yes. Okay, we're adding in that yes move. Now we're going to take it into our undercut. Okay, we've got our yes move. Our yes move is going to propel us forward and get us to do that ultimate. So are you ready? We're going to take it into an undercut. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Boom, that's it. You can even add that yes move in too. So undercut all the way. Breathe through it. Bend those knees and give me a nice little punch. Keeping that opposite hand right by your face. That's it. Now bend down a little bit lower. If we add in those legs, we're going to be burning more calories, more resistance, and more results. Let's keep going. Come on, you can do more than that. This is the time that we're really going for it. Breathe and let's go. 3, 2, 1, and release. Nice work. Okay, we're going to take it over to the other side. So we're going our yes move first, over the top, and then we're going to take it underneath. We got this. In 3, 2, 1, what are you made of? Let's go for it. Take over to that yes move and pull it all the way in. So squeeze those abs as you do it. Where is your right hand right now? Is it upright by your face? Are you having tension in it? If your arm is just floppy here, you're not going to be burning all the calories that you can be. So keep giving me that move. Pull those abs nice and tight. And let's work it, girls and guys. Let's keep going. Pull it in together. Breathe. You are flying through this workout when you decide that you're having fun and you're enjoying it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, okay. So we're going to take it into that undercut move. We're going to go under just like so. So you can grab in, use the pivot of your legs, get nice and low. The lower you want to go, you're going to be working even more of those leg muscles. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So undercut. There we go. Swing it through. Bring it back and undercut. Yes. Okay, so every single time you can say your word of affirmation. You can say, I'm powerful. Yes, you can say, I'm strong enough. You can say, I am enough. Remember, what were those words that you wrote down? What were they? Really bring them back into your workout. This is a great way to use them and to actually embody it into your being, okay? If you're just saying the words but you're not moving, it's gonna be very different. Last one, and release down. Okay, we're gonna take it into a little side shuffle. We're gonna undercut, we're gonna punch forward, and then we're going to kick it to the side. So that's all we're gonna do. And then we're gonna go back. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So across we go, undercut, we're gonna punch forward, and then we're gonna kick out to the side, and then take it all the way back. And here we go. Here we are, undercut. We're gonna punch forward, boom, and then kick out to the side, and take it all the way back. Yes, here we go. Here we are, undercut, punch it forward, and boom, kick out to the side. Really add that leg nice and high. Here we go. Last one, punch forward, boom, kick out to the side. Okay, shake it out. We're gonna take it over to the other side. So just like we did here, halfway through, punching forward, undercut, and then kick out to the side, and a little shuffle going back. Shake those arms out. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Over to the side, undercut, punch it forward, and kick out to the side, and then over back to the right. So everything is on that left leg. You're gonna undercut, punch it forward, boom, kick out to the side. Little bit of coordination here, getting your brain engaged. Undercut, punch it forward, bring those fists right by your face the whole time. Across we go. Undercut, punch forward, side kick it out, and let's give me one more. Here we go, last one, best one yet. Boom, kick out to the side, and release. Oh my goodness, wow, 10 minutes went past so quickly. But if you want to get the full workout, make sure that you get the book, It Takes Grit. It's going to change your life, it changed mine, and I can't wait to see you on our next workout. Check out this next one, it's going to keep you going. You're already on your mat, let's keep the burn alive. See you guys next time, bye. Because if you've done one of these workouts already, you can do more. It's just about repetition. It's about showing up each day to make it happen for yourself. That's it, take it all the way across.